In a word, wow. In a few more words, we have a 2003 Harley-Davidson Dyna lowrider. In color, custom. Custom paint, an insane amount of chrome add-ons, low-rise windshield, engine guard. Wait till we get to the other side in the light. Speaking of chrome, previous owner put a nice paint job on it. Looks like it was done about 25 miles ago because it still appears perfect, at least every place I've looked. Luggage rack, passenger backrest, Screamin' Eagle 2 pipes. And chrome. I said chrome 5 times. I'm a little embarrassed about that. Nice looking paint. Let's go ahead and take a listen to those pipes while we're here. Updated grips, updated grips as well. If you're the type of person that wants a motorcycle that will attract attention, it's perfect for you. This bike is available for a test look. No test rides because it's here on consignment. But you can check it out 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle between Vista and Escondido in San Marcos, right off the 78. Nice looking bike.